and welcome back to Automotive Sector with me, Hugh. Today we're down in Penarth in South Wales to introduce to you the brand new Jaguar F-Type. The car that we've got today is nothing less than the brand new Jaguar F-Type 5-litre V8 all-wheel drive. This F-Type coupe produces 450 PS, which is the equivalent to 444 brake horsepower. 0 to 60 is dealt with very quickly in just a shade over 4.5 seconds. As I said at the start, this is the brand new Jaguar F-Type, and I don't just mean the 20 plate on the front. This car has had a massive facelift from the previous generation car. This F-Type is instantly recognisable by the quad tailpipes that all the V8 models come equipped with. And if seeing them isn't enough to give it away, then hearing it definitely is. Starting off with this completely revised front end, it has a larger, more aggressive front grille being flanked by these new Jaguar signature slimline LED headlights, including Jaguar's heritage monogram. Jaguar's clamshell bonnet has also had new vents fitted, along with Leaper graphics fitted to the side. It's the same story at the back of the car with the new chicane style rear LEDs. The chassis has also been updated with new steering, suspension and a tweak to the electronic differential. But out of all these, Jaguar's biggest contribution to the new F-Type is the engine changes. The very popular V6 engine is gone altogether for the UK market, and now only 4-cylinder and 8-cylinder engines remain. So if you're looking to buy a new Jaguar F-Type, this particular car might just tick all the boxes. This F-Type actually has the exact same engine as the R model, but Jaguar have reined it in from its original 575 PS. This particular car comes in at just under 75,000. Or you could save yourself 4,000 for goodies and have the rear-wheel drive version. But with the UK roads, I would say that all-wheel drive gets my vote. This particular car is finished in Caldera red, and I think it gives the car a very sporty look and feel. The interior is very luxurious, there's lots of soft leather, and I love how the car seems to wrap around the driver. Going back quickly to the updates, Jaguar has given the new F-Type their 12.3 interactive driver display, as well as a few other software updates that have now been installed. Anyway, that's enough talking from me. We haven't just come here to look at the new F-Type, we've come here to drive it. There you go. Where were we? Oh yeah. Ah, that's it. Thank you once again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, if you could pop a thumbs up on the video and also subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot now. Take care. Bye.